Write a program using pointer to exchange the value stored in two locations in memory. First, we have to write the basic syntax of C. Hash include stdio.h, hash conio.h, void main, which is our main library function, clear screen, and getch. Int and1 and 2, int asterisk pointer 1, asterisk pointer 2, asterisk temp, which is temporary, printf, enter first digit, scanf to take input from user, %d, ampersand and 1, printf, enter second digit, scanf, %d, ampersand and 2, asterisk pointer 1 equal to n1, asterisk pointer 2 equal to n2, to swap two values, asterisk temp1 equal to asterisk pointer 1, asterisk pointer 1 equal to asterisk pointer 2, asterisk pointer 2 equal to temp1, to print the output. We have to write printf first digit, %d, asterisk pointer 1, printf second digit, %d, asterisk pointer 2. Let's see the output. First digit 54, second digit 76.